Was good. Let's go over the trade recap on the Nasdaq that I took on Wednesday after the shittiest trade I've ever taken right here. So let's go over this. So market opened. I highlighted this 1 hour fair value gap again as the day before. These hourly draws on liquidity, I believe they were. Hourly drawn liquidity here, here, and this 4-hour liquidity. So before market open during pre-market, we had a sweep of these 1 hour highs. So I expected market to open and just dump for quite a while. And with the S&P, we had a bearish SMT up at these highs. So it was not really looking good. Then we came down here, swept out this hourly liquidity plus filling in this 1 hour fair value gap. Where's the price at? This 1 hour fair value gap right here. Boom. And then if we scale back into the 5-minute, we see that we got an SMT on the 5-minute, showing like a bullish SMT on the 5-minute. Because if we look at the S&P, the SMT didn't sweep these lows. It just came down here and then continued to go all the way up. So I was looking for longs, obviously, because price was really, really bullish. And I expected it to take at least these 4-hour highs, like 4-hour draws on liquidity, and this, which is another 4-hour high. So we created this SMT, and I was looking for some sort of entries. So I had the SMT right here. We had this break of structure, then this fair value gap. Which we like filled orders in between here, but we never managed to have a strong reaction. And I wanted this bearish fair value gap to get invalidated because it was like holding so much value in between these two biases. And we see a big push down, maybe into this breaker block or to fill more orders down this price range, which was like below equilibrium, so it was in a discount price range. See price ripping, and yeah, we saw this bearish fair value gap on the 1 minute getting invalidated, but this was like such a strong candle to enter off of. And then we ripped for a bit. We took out these highs. I was looking for a retrace to get in. I highlighted equilibrium from these lows to these highs. Tapped into equilibrium. Invalidated this bearish fair value gap formed. I went long. First TP was right here. Solid 1 to 4, 1 to 1 4. My second TP would have been all the way up here. And when price arrived right here, I put my stop like here at the base of this 5-minute fair value gap. And as you can see, unfortunately, price retraced back into it, didn't disrespect it, and then just ripped to the upside. Look at this. So it was kind of unfortunate. I made like 0.6% on this trade. If this take profit hit, I would have made like 1.2, 1.3% on the day, which would have been nice. But still, yeah, pretty good trade for today. Not for today. Today is Tuesday, no, Thursday. But yeah, really good trade for yesterday. So I've been trading really good recently since the start of Q4 in October. So let's keep this momentum, I hope.